So how to put discount on selected products, or it could be all of your products on your Shopee store. I'll show you how. On your shop, go to Marketing Center, Discount Promotion, then create new discount, your discount name, start time, confirm, and for the end time, confirm. And for the discounts here, you can put any number like 2, 5, 6, or it's up to you. And for the purchase limit, you can limit of how many they can purchase for them to avail those discounts. Or you can leave it blank or no limit. Click add products. And then here, add products that you want to select, or you can choose all of your products if you want to. So I've added 4 items. After the selection, click add and confirm. Then save. So let's see. And here it is. It's now running. So easy, right? Then perform these easy steps, adding discounts on your products to encourage more potential buyers buying items on your store.